Hi everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 60. It's June 3rd, 2026. We've got some really cool AI stuff to talk about today. Let's dive in. Imagine you are trying to score tickets to the biggest soccer event in the world, but scalpers keep driving the prices way up. That is exactly what some fans on Reddit faced with the 2026 World Cup. Instead of just getting frustrated, they turned to an AI called Claude from the company Anthropic. They described the problem in plain English, and Claude helped them build simple programs that scan ticket sites and spot better deals. Think of it like having a super organized friend who never sleeps and keeps refreshing websites for you around the clock. These fans then shared the tools in group chats so others could copy and adjust them without starting over. The big idea here is that regular people now have the same kind of fast helper that big companies use. For anyone who loves sports, concerts, or just hates overpaying, this shows AI can help with real money problems in daily life. You do not need years of coding classes either. Many of these fans simply told the AI what they wanted, and it did the heavy work of turning the idea into something usable. If you have access to Claude or a similar chatbot, try describing one small problem you face and ask for a basic solution idea. This whole experiment proves AI is moving from big company tools to something everyday folks can actually use. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive. We are going to break down exactly how tools like Claude turn your words into working helpers. You know how your phone suggests the next word while you are texting? That is autocomplete, and it is a simple prediction based on patterns it has seen before. Now picture that same autocomplete growing millions of times smarter. It can suggest entire paragraphs, spot mistakes, and even write short programs when you describe what you want. Instead of stopping at suggestions, the AI can run those ideas for you right away. Think of it like following a recipe where the AI not only reads the steps, but also cooks the meal and tastes it to see if anything needs fixing. Step 1 is you describe the task in everyday words. Step 2 is the AI builds the first version of the code or plan. Step 3 is the AI checks its own work, finds problems, and offers improvements until it works better. That process is basically what happens when Claude helps someone build a ticket scanner without any programming background. And that is how these AI agents work under the hood. Not so scary once you see the steps, right? Let's look at some cool stuff you can actually try. First up is Hermes Desktop, a free AI helper from Noose Research that runs right on your own computer. It acts like a personal assistant that keeps your chats private because nothing leaves your device. Anyone can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux and start using it without any coding. Go to the Noose Research site or their page on GitHub, grab the installer for your computer, and ask it something simple like helping you plan your study schedule for the week. You might need a parent to assist if you are under 18 for the download. Next is a reminder about using chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude at school or work. One person shared that they use these tools every day, but always double-check the answers because small errors can hide an otherwise perfect-looking text. That is a smart habit because AI gives a strong starting point, not the final answer every time. Try this experiment yourself. Open ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to explain a topic you are studying right now. Then compare what it says to your textbook or a trusted site like Khan Academy. Notice which parts add helpful examples and where it might miss important details. Time for some quick bits. Google announced plans to put back more water than its data centers use by 2030 through new conservation projects. It is a direct response to worries about how much water large AI systems need. In another story, Meta worked with Microsoft, SpaceX, and law enforcement to shut down over 1 million fake accounts used for scams. Many of those accounts were linked to networks in Southeast Asia, and AI helped spot the patterns that humans might have missed. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts covering tech, science, markets, and more. If you enjoyed today's episode, give Tesla Shorts Time a listen. Your daily deep dive into everything Tesla. You can explore the whole lineup at neuronetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.